Hi everyone, we're now looking at the month of September and what does it have in store for you. We're looking at now you Geminis and how it opens new chapters out for you this month. Now for you Geminis, your career this month, is very fruitful. It does look like you've been putting in a lot of hard work, and keep the hard work going, because this hard work is actually bringing you tremendous amount of achievements, a lot of good prospects and a lot of opportunities coming your way. So keep a watch out for that, and keep a good relationship with your seniors. Avoid any kind of arguments, misunderstandings as well. Now from your business perspective, it does look like you're achieving a lot more this month. Something that has been working out in your favor will now actually close. Those deals will crack, and something that you set as a goal will now be completed for you in the month of September, and you do feel a lot more relief from now on. Now from the finances perspective, from your finances, it does look like you have a sudden inflow of money coming into you this month. So use that money wisely. If you go ahead and it does look like you're going to make some changes in the family front. So yes, go ahead, do some family renovations, upgrade the home front. And if some of you want to go ahead and invest in the construction, or some of you even want to go ahead and buy new properties or invest in properties, that would be a great decision for you, and it will definitely be profitable for you this month. And I do look like it does look like you're actually putting that money into the family front. So go ahead with that. That's a good one for you this month. From a health perspective, it does see that you have just some skin infections or some allergies playing up this month. It's also important that this month you start working not only on your physical well-being, but also on your mental health and mental well-being as well. Calming down, your brain, your thought process. It is something important for you to look into and think about this month. From the perspective of your relationships, this is a very good auspicious month for you. Now, some of you who are singles, and have been in relationships, and you want to go ahead and cement that, go ahead with your marriage proposals and your plannings this month, especially post the 15th, and everything works in your favor. It is a good time. Give it a thought. For some of you who are already married, it is time for you to give a little bit more time planning with your family. Spend some time at home, spend some little, vacations, some small get-togethers, and enjoy yourself with your family as well. It's much called for you. As a remedy for you this month, it is important that you go about, feeding some birds and animals. And importantly, give yourself a lot more calm. Do some, prayer, a lot more, meditation for you this month as well. It's a lot more called for. Now, for some of you who had, actually called out and reached out to me, if you find it difficult to meditate, I do plan to do some, meditation sessions, some healing and some prayer sessions for you as well. I will be posting and sharing that with you very soon. So look out for that, and we can go ahead and do some guided meditations to help you all guys elevate yourself and, look at the next perspective, and how beautifully your mental, meditation, your prayers and your healing brings so much of changes into your daily lives as well. So keep a watch out for that. I'm Sharon S. Mondija. Thank you so much for being a part of my family. And if you're new to my family, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's stay connected for so much more in store.